welcome back to the channel, Keto Cooking with Ron, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please like, share, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when we post the latest video like this one. Well, I haven't done a video in a while, or a cooking video in a while, I should say. So today we're going to do something totally new. Now, I've been still got the idea from a few YouTubers, and we're going to be making keto spam fries. Spam has been one of my favorite meats over the years. You either love it or you hate it. And so we're going to get right into the video to show you how we're going to put it all together. I'm pretty confident how this is going to come out. And we're not only going to be doing the spam fries, but we're going to be doing the spam fries in the air fryer. So this should be pretty interesting. So what you'll need for this to make it somewhat keto friendly, pork rinds. This is the brand that I'm using. It's called Pork King Good pork rind crumbs. And I'll flip it around so you can see the macros, very clean ingredients. So what I did, I took about a cup of this and I put it into a bowl. And I put a little seasoning in here. I put garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, that was it. And I mixed it all around and to incorporate it. And we're going to be using one egg for the egg wash, and then we're going to transfer it over to the breadcrumb, and then we're going to put it directly into the air fryer. And yeah, so it should be pretty interesting. And so without further ado, let's kind of move the bowls over here so I can show you how to put this all together. And at this point now, I'm going to flip the camera down so you can see what's going on. So that's the can of spam that we're going to be using. So all you do is I just take it and pop the lid. Just like that. And then to get the spam out of the can, I'll take a butter knife and I'll just go around it. Kind of loosen it up a little bit from the can. And just pop it onto the cutting board. I'll stick the knife in here and kind of like squeeze it out. Just like that, see? Get this in camera position. My hands are clean, so we're going to just work with our hands today. That's what trying to get this centered so you can see what's going on. Now, the spam fry size all depends on how thick you want your fries. So we're gonna just eyeball it. You gotta have to get up so you guys see the camera. You can see, you put it on a better camera angle than this. There we go. And this. Okay, let's see. All right, just trying to get it in the center. There we go. So now we're just gonna cut the spam. Now remember, we're making spam fries out of this. So what I'll do at this point is I'll just stack it. I got them stacked up about evenly like this. You can see what's going on in the camera, huh? There we go. And I'll just cut it in half again. Cut it in half a couple of times. Helps if you have a sharp knife. So at this point, I'm going to put the fries aside on the cutting board. And what we'll do is, this is the air fryer that we're going to be using. What I'm going to do is, spray the bottom of my air fryer. And we'll put them directly into the air fryer after we got them breaded. And I'll show you that process as I get to going on it. This is the egg we have, or the egg wash. And you just take your spam and you just put it in your egg. And then I'll put the breadcrumb in the center of the camera as best I can. You'll bread it. So, and if you need to get more breadcrumb, you can get more breadcrumb from the back room, or the kitchen, I should say. I'm filming in my back room because there's more room over here. And now I'm just going to take the Spam fry, put it in the bottom of the pan, and as I'm going along, I'll show you the final result before we put it into the process into the air fryer and get it going. It's pretty simple and pretty basic. I don't know if you had ever made these before, but if you have, let me know, because I'm just curious how they're gonna come out. And when I'm doing at this point, I'm just moving some stuff around to make some room for me, so I can have some room to work with around here, because I'm operating in the back room today as far as doing filming today, because the front room doesn't have a lot of room over there for me, and I feel more comfortable doing it this way. So let's move these fries over a little bit and stack them up a little bit on each side of the cutting board, so I can have a little bit more room to work with. Clean it up a little bit, and I always clean my mess up as I go along, guys. So I have this. I'm going to try to see if I can do like a little bit of a tighter angle so you can see what. That was my air fryer going on, because I still got to plug this. So all you do is this. Like I said, well, you can just take kind of speed it up a little bit. Just put quite a few of them in there, and just coat it really well with the egg wash. And I'm gonna just take them in 1, 2, and if you don't feel comfortable using your hands, you can always use a fork, or if you got a pair of gloves, even better, I suppose. The whole idea behind breading the Spam is to get it nice and crunchy. And then what we'll do is we'll spray it with a little bit of cooking oil spray before we put it into the oven itself. And if I need another egg there, we'll get another egg. It should be, I think it should be 1 egg should be fine. I got about a cup of pork rind. If I need more pork rind, I can just dump some more in. The whole idea is it's coating really well. And I'm using my fingers for this too. Yesterday we made some hot dogs in the air fryer. That was the very first time I made hot dogs. They came out really, really good, really, really crunchy. Put it on for 6 minutes at 390 degrees. And, if you just do this, follow me along, you should be fine. Like I said, I never done Spam fries in it, and I got the idea from a couple of YouTubers. One of them was Two Crazy Ketos, and the other one was the Keto Twins. They had made this before, and they wanted to try it based on what their recipe was. I don't know what kind of breadcrumbs they had used, but this is my preferred breadcrumb, because I really like the taste of the breadcrumbs. Got a couple more I got to do, and I'm pretty much done. So this took about 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, I would say. And almost 1 whole egg. The whole idea behind the egg is just to get it to so the breadcrumb will stick to the Spam. And I'm just going to put the rest of the breadcrumb on this. Then we're going to go pop this in the air fryer, and probably be out thinking about 8 minutes, maybe 390 degrees. Okay, so this is what the Spam fries look like. So now we're going to get this into the oven, but first we're going to spray the top of this cooking oil. Just a little coat, get it nice and crunchy. And then at the halfway process of baking these off in the air fryer, or frying them up, we'll flip them over. And they should be nice and crunchy. So I'm putting mine on for 390 at 8 minutes, and then we'll check them at the halfway mark. We may have to add more time. We'll come back and show you the final product. We'll come back and show you the final product when we get it completed. Okay, so it's about the halfway point, so we're going to pop the lid off of it and see what they look like on the inside. Well, welcome back. So we added another 5 more minutes of air frying time to this. Total air frying time was at 390 for 15 minutes. And now we're going to pop them out of the air fryer to show you what they look like. And they are nice and crunchy. And look at that. So we're going to put them in a bowl. Hi guys, so we're back. So spam fries are done and they're really, really delicious. So what we did was we opened up a can of regular spam, just like this. Popped the spam out of the can, cut it up into bite-sized fries. Batted them in egg wash, put them in some pork king breadcrumbs. And if you don't have that breadcrumbs, you can just grind your own up if you're doing low carb. And we air fried them for 390, 15 minutes. And this is what they came out like. Nice and crunchy, see? These are wicked good. Now, unreal. This is what I'm using for ketchup, Heinz reduced ketchup, which is good for low carb. Check that out for the macros. The spam, I don't know if it has any macro content. Well, actually it does. That's what the, you just got to be careful because this has got a lot of salt in it. You know, but I just, you know, it's not like I'm going to eat the whole can. I'll probably have a few of those and I'll be satisfied and have the rest later another day. But I hope you enjoyed this because this is the first time I'm making the spam fries. It's unreal. Really, really good, tasty. The meat looks like cooked inside. Nice coat. Nice coat of breadcrumbs. Really good. But if you have regular fries and you want the spam fries, these spam fries are a lot less calories because the regular fries, they got a ton of carbs with the potatoes. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I was going to put them in the can for a decoration thing there, but I think it's fine the way they are. But this is one of my preferred beverages. I'm having a root beer, but it's a zero root beer. It's got zero sugar in it. I'm going to put this all together and put it up on the YouTube channel, and let me know what you think. If you've had spam, you like spam, or you know, you're a hater or a lover of spam, but I love spam. Now I got a new way of cooking it, and with the breadcrumbs. See that? Look at that. Really good. Anyways, 2 thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill.